Good morning. Saturday morning. Flip this around here. I am going to do a header gasket on the driver's side. I got a little ticking going on in the back. So I'm going to switch that gasket out, get that quieted out. And the wife wants to go to a car show today for the heck of it. Just get together, more like a coffee and cruise type of thing or whatever. I don't even know if there's a cruise. But anyways, flip this around here. I did get the fuel pump in. It's all done. Oh, that felt good. That's all in. And I have a guy coming to weld my exhaust. Got that all mocked up. So he's going to come over, tack it up, pull it down, weld it, and I'll put it back in. So we're making progress today. Well, we're not even midway through yet, and alternator's off, power steering pump is off, all because of that one bolt right there. And I got that back one yet. I got to probably cut an Allen wrench to get that one off. So I'll keep at her here. Alright, got it all loose. I got one bolt left on right there. Hopefully this gasket breaks loose and comes right out. That back bolt was loose, and that's the one that I believe was leaking too. That baby is tight in there. Holy shit. I wonder why it's tight in there. Yeah, this is going to be fun, I see. And I got lucky. It came out. And this is the back hole. And I said I had a little tick. Oh, come on, focus, you stupid thing. Obviously, you can see it right there. Ah, you goddamn thing. Right there is leaking. So we'll get another one in here and get her fixed up. Alright, get some header bolts, new header bolts cleaned up. I'll get a coat of heat treat paint on them. Get some anti-seize in them and get her back together. Alright, I took my little torch, heated up all the bolts to get the moisture out of them. I'll put a little high heat Rust-Oleum paint on it. I don't know why that thing is not focusing. Don't tell me I fucked up another phone dropping it. Anyways. And there we go. Can't even see him. There we go. Now she's focusing. Alright. Got the valve cover all polished up underneath the wire loom holder. And that's gonna about wrap her up. Put the dielectric grease back on my boots and put that on. Button her up. And there you have it. I just cleaned up some wiring over here on the passenger side. Let me flip this around. So I got that wiring that was running off. That was running across the face, it ran across the back. I cleaned up this wiring, had some yellow shit on here that looked like crap. This looked like crap, now it looks nice. So yeah. That's it. Waiting for the guy to come for the exhaust from town here. He's gonna help me weld that up. Get that done, and that'll be nice. So patiently waiting for him, but the 67 is done. I'll vacuum it out now because the tree that we were parked under at that last car show, old helicopters fell in the car, so it's a little dirty. We'll get her cleaned up and ready to go. Alright, stay tuned for the exhaust. There you go, all cleaned up, ready to go again. All the exhaust is done. I just gotta polish it, get it all cleaned up. But oh my god, I never even thought about recording it, but oh well. You flip it around here. So yeah, you welded this up here, welded the mount on, and welded this on. So I'll get this all polished up on the side that we see here. So it looks nice. So yeah, nice and even. Good to go. Yeah, I'll show you how much clearance I got here. So that's that side. So that one ain't bad. I got a good, I don't know what you want to say, is 3/4 of an inch. And plenty of room there. This side here, a little tighter there. This side is definitely a little tighter. I got the clearance through there. But way up, I don't know if you can see it or not, let me show you. Right there, that's close. but it's pretty solid. So hopefully it doesn't move and I shouldn't have any issues. Alrighty. Next, polishing. Alright, cleaned up, ready to go to car show. I want to do a special thanks to Quick Performance, Mike, and other guys. Thanks for helping me get what I needed. Appreciate it. Yeah, just thanks a lot. And I gave that car a bath. Fuel pump is ordered. It's just on back order, so that will be next. So that's update on that. That's going back in the trailer until further whatever.
Give it to me like. Give it to me like. Give it to me like. Give it to me like.